everybody, Fawn Princess here, back with another video for you guys, and today we're doing something very exciting, an unboxing video of a new Juliette Justine release. The dress in question is Chose Secrète from Juliette Justine. I ordered it back in November 2019 as a reservation, which means that you essentially pay for the dress ahead of time, but it takes months and months for it to be created and then shipped to you, of course. It cost me a pretty penny. I believe it was around $500-ish. And it was even worse because I essentially got 50% duty once I received the said dress. So I was kind of questioning my life choices. I really hope that the dress itself is going to be worth it, because at this point it's almost like a payment on my mortgage. So yeah, let's hope that the dream, it actually becomes reality on this. Am I right? So I already opened up the package, but let's take a look at what's inside, because usually there's a few goodies with Juliette Justine. So there is a shopping bag. I have a couple of these that I actually just store in a pile in my walk-in, but you know, I can always use more. I might actually start using them to actually travel with stuff, but I'm always too afraid to actually use them, because it's like, I don't know if you guys ever bought like these sticker sheets and then you're like, I have to keep the stickers for something really worthwhile, and then you doubt yourself every time you want to use them, so you end up not using them at all. I have the same type of issue with brand bags. I want to keep them for something special, and nothing is ever special enough, so I just keep them in a pile. But hey, I'll take it for sure, so I'm happy about that. Oh my god, guys, I knew that they had started sending out these custom boxes with their new releases, but it's the first one that I got. I also have another dress that's in reservation and will be coming up. But that being said, look at the details on this box, and it feels really sturdy, like it's a really huge box. Oh wait, I see something in the bottom too. Let's go to the catalog before moving on to the main piece, because I think that's what it is. So let's take a look. So essentially it's a Juliette Justine catalog for their probably upcoming releases. Let's see. Oh no, it's actually just a notebook. Plot twist. It's not a catalog. That's another thing that usually when brands send me these, I'm super happy about them, but then I never find something important enough to write in it, so I just end up putting it aside. That being said, I might put some brand thank you notes and seller thank you notes in there and turn it into a little bit of a scrapbook. What do you guys think? What do you guys usually do with these types of things? Because I never know what to do with them. So, but it still looks pretty. It's brand. I love it. Okay, on to the main piece. I'm just gonna take this out of the big box. The big box is now empty. There you go, dramatic throw. So, oh wow. It's wrapped in beautiful paper, like crepe paper, with a little brand sticker too. Oh, good lordy, lordy, lordy. If you guys can see, the wrapping just looks so cute and exquisite. I feel like I'm unwrapping a gift, but it kind of feels like it. But I sure paid for the gift. So let's see what the quality is going to look like. Sorry about that sound. And delicately putting the box off of this area. Okay, let's unwrap this. Sorry about that crinkling sound, though I guess it might be a bit of an ASMR experience. Okay. Oh wow. Ooh. So I think this is the belt that's supposed to, you can tie, like it's optional. You can tie it around your waist or not. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Yeah, I remembered right, it's 55,000 yen. So that's most likely more around 600-700 Canadian if we're being honest here. But what's cool is that the dress has like an optional capelet thing that you can wear around your sleeves, like so. I'll put it on so you guys can see, but you can wear this dress in a bunch of different ways, and that's one of the things that I really liked about it. And it kind of opens up to this broader, bigger kind of detailing. So I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see. We have the front of the dress right here. It's like a portrait down below, and when it opens up you have like this second set of detailing going on. The fabric is very sheer, it's very light. It feels very summery, which, you know, going into winter, not so useful for my Canadian frilly booty, but I mean, it's still cute. And you have the back over here with like a draping effect going on, which I think is really cute. I very much liked the detail on the capelet too. You've got some angels, you've got some saints. It feels very religious leaning. I really like religious prints. And then you've got the Last Supper here. A lot of detailing on this print. Definitely a lot of that going on. So as you guys can see. And I also very much like the architectural feel to the dress with the details that you have around the collar and the waist. Let's hope the sizing is going to look right on me. I think, yeah, it's a size 1. Sometimes they're a little loose, sometimes they're just right. It's hard to tell. But yeah, I really love the blues. It feels very epic as a piece of garment. Like a lot of detailing, So let's put it on, shall we? So this is what it looks like worn. So I have the capelet on, I have the belt on. You can see kind of the fit. I will include some clips of me wearing it from the front, the back, so you guys can see the details. I really think that it's super comfortable and airy, like for a kind of summer wear. It's perfect. You still have some type of shoulder covering so you can get away without wearing a blouse or anything like that. It's beautiful and delicate, and there's so much detail on this dress, guys, and it feels quite exquisite and expensive. I hope you guys will take a look at all of the details on this dress, because I mean, there is so much even under this, like under the extra layers. There's details and prints all over the place. So for people that are very much into prints like myself, this is a treasure trove. The colors come out beautifully. It's very muted blues, silvers, even like a kind of muted out bronze. I really do think that it's full of beautiful detailing, so I hope you guys will have some fun taking a look at this dress, because I don't regret my purchase, even though it kind of cost an arm and a leg. Hi, Salem. So he wants to see the dress as well, but that kind of gives you a sense of perspective of kind of my enjoyment of the dress. Overall, I do recommend Chose Secrète. I think that it's beautiful, and if you guys are interested, then I would advise you to buy it, because it's definitely worth the money. Thank you so much for doing this unboxing with me. I hope that this was as fun to you guys as it was for me, and I hope that it will give visibility to some dresses that might not be as easily seen or accessible. Like oftentimes Juliette and Justine dresses are released and it's kind of like a few people have them, but we don't see a lot of them. So I really wanted to take the time to show you guys kind of the quality, the fit of some of their new releases. Let me know what you guys have ordered recently. Have you guys been stockpiling dresses like crazy? Or have you guys been like me and kind of kept it on the DL? Because there's no meets, right? So no real motivation to be gathering some extra stuff. Anyways, just let me know how you guys are doing during the pandemic. I hope you guys are doing okay and you're safe and you're healthy. If you want to follow me on Instagram or Facebook at Elizabeth Fallen, please feel free to do so. And if you want to join the Baby Bat family on Patreon, please feel free to do so as well. I hope that you guys will be well and spend some wonderful time with your family around Thanksgiving, because it is technically Canadian Thanksgiving at the time of filming this. So take care, and we'll talk soon, okay guys? Bye!